he's safe. Jordan's up. Jordan's up. Go, Jordan, go! Go, Jordan, go! Go, Jordan, go!
All right. You're supposed to hit the ball. Are you gonna pitch? Okay. Whoa! Watch the cars. You're supposed to run. First base, second base.
Hey, nobody told me.
You know you're supposed to touch the bases, right? You didn't even touch them. Why? It's just a little stabby tree.
I win. I think Uncle Rich is gonna go dunk Malia in the ocean. No, don't do it. Tarzan can't fly. You forgot to jump to another tree.
I'm Tarzana.
So close. So close. Whoa, that was a little too high. Stick your butt out. There you go. Run, 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 run. Run. Oh, go, go, go. That's going to be a home run. Yay! High five. High five. Yes. Good job, Jordan. Oh, so close. Yeah, good hit, Dante. Run, Dante, run. Third base, home, hurry, go, run, go. Yes, another home run. Dante, yeah. JJ took Rich's hat, and Rich told her, if you take my hat, I'm throwing you in the ocean. And now I think JJ's going in the water, whether she likes it or not. Oh, don't pick on Rich. Rich don't let go neither. Oh. So, did you have fun at the beach today?
Yep.
Well, it's time to pack it back on up and get on back to Grandma's house for some dinner.
Yep.
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 So, who had an awesome day of summer?
Me.
I hope you guys enjoyed summer, because around here, that's probably it. It's probably all we're getting. So, how was your summer this year?
Good.
It was a fun day at the beach, huh? What was the best part? I bet Mia's was when Rich threw her in the ocean. Yeah.
Well, when I almost took his hat. Almost.
Yeah, but JJ got thrown in the ocean for taking his hat,
It was no
so.
fun. JJ got
Yes, she did.
thrown in the ocean for taking his hat. And then when I did, he was just like, give it back.
He was already tired from wrestling with JJ. He was like, nope, I'm done. That's okay. Jordan, how was baseball? How'd you do? Do you know why I'm asking you?
What?
'Cause you got a home run! Yeah, but Dante's not here. Good job. That was an
What do I get?
excellent home run. Well, I just gave you a celebration. Remember, I went like this. Home run! Like that. Guys, it's been a long weekend. You're tired. Let's get my Smarty Pantses to bed.
Yes.
So,
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Want to make this channel strong? Share it with your friends. And good night, YouTube. See you tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Touch it. Proof. We had an awesome summer day.